Alrighty, I am, what's today? Happy Monday? Yeah, happy Monday. I am coming to you because I received a package from CuteBee. They sent me a Book Nook, and I'm excited to show you guys. There's also going to be a giveaway associated with this, so I did open the package, but I haven't opened the box. So, okay, this is what it looks like. I love it, love it, love it. I'm hoping that everything is visible here. Let me see if I can get some light for you guys. Is that better? That's a little bit better. All right, so they sent me this Book Nook, and I've been wanting to get a Book Nook for a while, and then they contacted me to do a collaboration, and I was excited to say yes. So it's the Rose Detective Agency DIY Book Nook kit, and we're going to open it right now. It's got a little slide on there. And this is what the box looks like. Super cute. And then open her up. Oh, so we have some lights. We have some lights here and some other, little coffee cup there. So maybe some stickers. So there's that. And then it has some plastic. I'm guessing this is the cover, like the window for it. The instructions and all the little stickers. So you get a bunch of little books and some newspapers and some envelopes. So a bunch of cute little decal stickers there, and then you get the instructions, and it is 26 pages with 60 steps. So doesn't look like there's many verbal instructions, it's just pictures, but I guess that's easy enough. So let me move this out the way so I can see what the actual pieces look like. Open this up here. Oh, I just scratched it. Okay, let's see. So it's pretty thick, whatever. The quality seems really good. I can get this. It's packaged really well. Alrighty. So, guessing these look like the two sides. So you got the side and that. Oh man, these are tiny. Oh my goodness. I've never worked on anything this scale. Let me move it down so you can see all the pieces there. Pretty much. Oh, it smells. It's very strong. It smells like plastic, but it's not. Okay, so I've never ever worked on anything this small. This is gonna be fun. So has all the little pieces there. So you've got like a walkway, a few doors, some stairs, umbrellas, bunch of little pieces there. A grandfather clock. Not sure what all those are. Maybe some shelves or something like that. And they're all labeled with C6, C7. So I'm assuming that, when you look at the instructions, yeah, so it tells you which pieces go with which. So seems pretty easy. And there's different ones. They have Eternal Bookstore, Sailing Memory, Elegant Shop, Magic Pharmacist, Under the Sakura Tree. So there's a few different ones, but I really like this one. I love this one. So, it's got a little, oh, that is adorable. It's got a cute little dart game right there. That's cute. Let me see. It's got like little darts there. All right, so then we got some bookshelves and some books and a bunch of cute, oh my gosh, this is so tiny. These pieces are so tiny. Like how, ooh, I see lots of tweezers in my future. So some flooring, some walls. Oh, I love that brick. The details are amazing in this stuff. The detective house, oh, that's cute. Yeah, so you've got all the little pieces there. Let me turn my TV down a little bit there. Didn't realize it was so loud. And we've got the clock. So the detail too is just amazing. And I don't know what these are, but you've got all these little pieces and everything. So this is the other side. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I even in the shot here? Did you see anything? Sorry. So it's like they feel like plastic, but it's not. It's like this wood, you know, engraved laser cut pieces in there. I mean, they look to be cut pretty good. I don't want to start taking the pieces out and lose anything, but they seem to be pretty easy to like push out there. But again, you're definitely gonna need some tweezers because these are some small pieces. I'm excited. I've never worked. Oh no, something came out. Is this an actual piece or? Oh, see, this is so tiny. This is what I was afraid of. I had it sitting there for a while and I didn't want to open it until I was gonna, you know, I was sure that I was gonna start working on it, but then I didn't want to sit there for too long waiting. So here we are. A little piece fell out. I don't know if it's an actual like piece or if it's just something extra, but I'm just gonna go ahead and set it in the box, and that way if it is a piece, I have it. I don't see anything missing though, so I don't know. It may just be a little piece that fell out or something. I'll just keep it in the box just in case. But yeah, these pieces, oh my gosh, the detail is just crazy, and like, oops, and like little pictures and stuff. Let me put this in the box before I lose it. So that's in there. Yeah, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna start working on it soon. Oh my gosh, there's so many little pieces. It's incredible. Like how did they do this? So it is let's see. So it's 2 stories. It looks like on the bottom there's like a crime scene down there. And then up top is like the office. So, and this is like an outside scene maybe. I can't really tell. But yeah, it looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, we're going to be working on this little by little. It's small enough to where I can kind of put it on like an edge of my workstation and it's not going to take up a whole lot of space. So I just have to figure out what the best method is, you know, which way I'm gonna kind of make it work. Oh my goodness, everything's so tiny. It's got this little like coffee cup in a saucer, and then like I said, it's got lights, and I don't know what these little stickers or whatever those are. But I do plan on working on this little by little. It's going to be, you know, work in progress because I do have lots of things going on. I'm doing my mini Valentine at the moment. So yeah, I was going to say that's a mirror, PVC. I didn't see that. Or is that what this is maybe? Maybe that sticker's a mirror. Frosted rod. Oh, there. Oh, that's a file. Oh, there's the little mirror. Okay. All right. So, yeah, I'm going to work on it. Like I said, little by little. It's small enough to where I can put it like on my desk and work on it and kind of keep it in the box or something like that. So yeah, so I'm excited. So if you are, once I get to 1K subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway for one of these. They've agreed to participate and provide a Book Nook once I get to 1K. So once I get to 1K, I will do the giveaway and announce the winner once I, you know, get to 1K. And if you don't want to wait for the giveaway, I have a link that they're offering a discount. So go ahead, check out the description box. It'll be right at the beginning, right at the top, so that you can click on it and go to the link and check out what they have. And that is it for today, guys. So stay tuned. Again, I'll be working on this soon. I am working on a project at the moment, so once I'm done with that, then I will get started on this, and I will show you. It'll be, I don't know how many parts, because I don't know how long it's going to take me. It's tiny. They're tiny pieces, detailed, so I don't know how long it's going to take. And I have to find the right glue, because I don't know what kind of glue to use. It doesn't come with glue. So I'm going to have to find out what type of glue it, is going to be best for it. So that is it for today, guys. Be sure to check out the description box. Check out CuteBee on in the description box. I did put the link down there. And that is it. Until next time, you guys be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.